Good morning, class. This is the fourth scene of the second act of the play Romeo and Juliet by William Shakespeare. Um, in the last act, uh, we have seen that Romeo, that is in the last scene of this act, which was the third scene of the second act of Romeo and Juliet. We did come to the point that Romeo goes to Friar Lawrence for his help, and there the friar is ready to help him. Now, this is the fourth scene, and the place is a street in which Benvolio and Mercutio, two friends of Romeo, they are talking to each other. They are in a street, and they are talking about Romeo because they had not seen him for the previous night, so they are worried about, but they are also joking about Romeo's love for Rosaline, and they are thinking that Romeo is not seen anywhere. That means he is spending his time in loneliness because of his rejected love by Rosaline. Um, After some time, Romeo comes there, and Mercutio, he starts making fun of Romeo, and he is talking to Romeo about Rosaline's love. When these three friends are there, what happens is that there comes Juliet's nurse. So this is the Juliet's nurse, and she comes there with her servant Peter. Juliet has a nurse, this old woman, and this is her servant, that is Peter. So they have come there with a message from Juliet, and she has an important message to convey from Juliet to Romeo. After this, what happens? So this is the nurse of Juliet. She is also a friend and confidant of the female protagonist of the play, that is Juliet, and she has come there with the message, and now this message is regarding the marriage. Now when she comes there, so this is the nurse, and when she comes there, uh, Benvolio and Mercutio, they make fun of her. They start commenting on the personality of the old woman. After this, when she complains, both of them, they go away. So Benvolio and Mercutio, they go away from this place, from the scene, and now Juliet's nurse, she is talking to Romeo, and Romeo tells her that he had made arrangements regarding their marriage with the help of Friar Lawrence. He tells Juliet's nurse to bring Juliet there at Friar Lawrence's place at the abbey. Abbey is the building of the church where the monks live, and it is their training place also. So he says you should bring Juliet there in the afternoon. So this is the second day of the play, and the time and this is morning, and the time decided for Romeo and Juliet's marriage is the afternoon. And Romeo, so this is Romeo telling Juliet's nurse to bring her, that is Juliet, to Friar Lawrence's place for their marriage, because he has fixed everything with Friar Lawrence. So in this way, this fourth scene of the second act is very important, because in which we find that Romeo has decided everything about his marriage to Juliet, and Friar Lawrence is ready to for this marriage, and Juliet's nurse is here to receive this message, and she had been told by Romeo that she should bring Juliet to Friar Lawrence's place, the abbey, in the same afternoon, so that Romeo and Juliet could get married. And one more important fact about this scene is that Romeo's close friends, that is Mercutio and Benvolio, they don't know that Romeo has forgotten everything about Rosaline, and he is in love with another woman, and she is Juliet, and he is going to marry her the same afternoon. His close friends Benvolio and Mercutio, they don't know about this fact. So here this scene comes to an end. So this is the fourth scene of the second act of the play Romeo and Juliet. Thank you.